Also, Mirror True Life Story. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up for my YouTube channel, Mirror True Life Story. God bless you. May Edochie elder sister, wey they call Blessing, say she's fully in support with Yul Edochie. Hey, matter don't turn around though. Matter don't change for our eye. She says she's fully in support with Yul Edochie. Yes, Yul Edochie is right. Yul Edochie said the right thing. Before you conclude, I beg, watch this video from the beginning to the end and know the reason why Blessing, May Edochie elder sister, is in support with Yul Edochie. For those of you that are following me, the video I posted last on my page today, the reason why this video come outside is there. Go and watch it, then you will understand this. Now, May Edochie elder sister say she's very much in support of Yoyoyo. Say Yoyoyo is right. Where did he wrong? Where is the wrong? He said the man is right. He said a lot of people don't know what is really happening behind closed door. Hey, wonder shall never end. I tell una say this Yoyoyo and Juju Ekwensu May Edochie matter. Hey, this one past Nollywood. You see Nollywood where they wash. Hey, the reality one. Now we did so. So, according to Blessing, May Edochie elder sister, he said, who do you think is the betrayer here? Do you think it's Yoyoyo? Say, you people are joking. He said, Yoyoyo is not a betrayer. He said, Yoyoyo is a tool that is being used. He said they never knew. They all thought Yoyoyo was the problem until the truth came outside. According to May Edochie elder sister, he said the only property where Yoyoyo dey fight for na Ajamasho. Because he no get house. Na him papa na him dey pay for the house for Abuja. You no get house. Hungry they beat the man. The man want to be a landlord. He is used to that life of Odogu. Now that life we know they see again. From landlord to tenant. He said the only property where you they cry really from his heart na Ajamasho. Now you they cry for. Say me they give her Ajamasho. Me they just give her that one. It's okay. She said, but you see, Grandpapa, say this man is the betrayer. See, Yul Edochie is very right. He said, who is fighting for properties? Say it's Grandpapa. Who refused to return properties? It's Grandpapa. Who is sitting on top of property? It's Grandpapa. Who told Yoyoyo that there is property, there is money, go ahead, do it like this, do it like that? It is Grandpapa. Yul Edochie enter into the marriage for love and not for property. Later, they turned him to a tool that they were using against a sister they never knew. He said, yes. He said, May Edochie and Yul Edochie marriage were going very well, very sweet. He said, where did you lie? He said, there is no lie. There is no lie. He said, this man is the betrayer. He's the one committing all the havoc, but using the face of Yoyoyo. He said, but the problem where they say, Yoyoyo, all this one way they talk, in the next they came market day, if your papa hits the nail again, Yoyoyo go say, no be talking. He said it took them time before they realized what was really going on. He said that they say Juju Ekwensu tie Yoyoyo for bottle. He said Yoyoyo wey papa don put for bottle tete before Juju Ekwensu. Hey. He said marriage where anything where they happen, Yoyoyo would say, let him take permission from his father. Let him tell his father. Let him father. May Edochie was forced to ask him one day, is it your father she's married to or you? Don't you have ways of your own? He said, even when May Edochie tell Peter Edochie, say no. Then they know they come into the decision when you and your wife they take. Why are you always in their own? Grandpapa tell May Edochie, say it is because Yoyoyo is last born. That's why they always attach them. He said they thought, okay, maybe it's true. But they never knew that Grandpapa don't tie Yoyoyo, put for inside bottle. He said they really use Yoyoyo against their sister. They use, he say it's a tool they are using. He say all this property they are fighting for. He say they are not fighting. He say they are not fighting it for you. He say grandpapa is fighting it for himself. Even at this age, he's dragging and fighting for these things. You say, now you they follow they drag property. He say they are property. He say unless they put you for front. He say you know they follow they drag anything. He say you know they follow they drag anything. The person dragging with them is grandpapa. The only thing you they fight for na Jamasho. Where he go put his head, make it not dey rent again. Say that is his problem. He said the cocoa of this matter. Say na grandpapa. Hey, wonder shall never end, my people. When we thought we've seen it all. She said all the things when you talk. He said waiting her sister went through. Waiting me Edochie went through. In that marriage. He said who planned it all. Blessing talk a lot of things so. He said you is just a tool wey grandpapa they use at his own way. He said why they not set you free? Why did grandpapa not challenge Jojo Ekwensu? Why did grandpapa not fight for his son? With all the shame and disgrace going on. Say grandpapa turn his ear deaf as if he not the hear. He say anytime we be like say you they look say be like say don't they make mumurity of himself. Say you see papa come write one thing about him come aside. Papa will they encourage him. Say they want him to remain like this. So that they will be using him. My lovely fans. He say if not be God will stand for me, Edochie. He say who gave you your chance when you come bury for Ajamashon? Say do you know how many pots they dig out of Ajamashon? How many charms they dig come out of ground? When they will come, they'll say something is here, something is here, something is here. He said when you left the house, he said it was war. Do you know what was war? It was war. He said no church. Because me Edochie not agree go another church. She be Catholic. Say their elder sister. No church where she not go. Because of me Edochie. They say they don't dig things full in her house. She said who gave you your charm where they put for Ajamashon? He said no be papa give her. All the charms where they dig come outside. He said it was Peter Edochie. He said nowhere where that sister no waka go. Because me Edochie say she's a Catholic. He said nowhere where her elder sister no go. No pastor where her elder sister no carry enter compound. He said every night which bird go they cry for their house. Every night bird go come stand on top of fence. Ikyo, 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 bird go they cry. He said do you know what they went through? He said then everybody was concentrating on Amobingo. They don't know say Amobingo was not the one responsible for all those things. That one they use them. He said why is Jojo Ekwensu so free? Because she have backup. That's why she's so free. She not a shake. She have backup. He say everything where you talk, you not lie. He say they use them. They use them. They were not happy of his success. And that success was from me Edochie. Hey, wonder shall never end, my lovely fans. Blessing me Edochie elder sister. She said right from time her spirit not carry this man. He said they tell his sister, which is me Edochie. This man, she don't know something in her. Say me Edochie say, if you don't like him as my father-in-law, like him as your father's friend. Like him as your father's best friend. He say all her brothers and sisters, they always call grandpapa, daddy. Say yeah, she has never for one day. She's the only one that refused. See, because he already see and say something not clean about this man. He said, but her sister May Edochie, If you call grandpapa, grandpapa is everything to her. She now took grandpapa as that father figure, which she not get again. He said, now dear, now therefore finish me Edochie. He said, the God will stand for me Edochie, she cannot explain. See that they talk, say, he said, grandpapa, stop making people to believe that you is Kolometa. Say the man not Kolometa. If you even Kolometa, they need to ask you. They need to ask you why you is Kolometa. Say now you they need to ask. Hey, my people. Me Edochie, that sister, say this man is the one doing everything. He said you see all those things where you they do. He said now manipulation. By the time they want to drag, now you they drag. But you is a messenger. He said it took them time before they could know they the grant. Before they know. Blessing say all this. Blessing say all the secret account of you where they open. Who open now? Who opened it? Is it not the father? The father opened all the secret account. Say make you go they pack me Edochie money they come. Go they pack and they come. And really they pack the money. Me Edochie don't know what they happen. When she thought she have money, when she thought she have money in account, she reached there, you don't wipe her off. He said God stood by me Edochie. He said God stood by me Edochie. He said they were using charms for me Edochie. Charms. He said that they used charm for me Edochie. He said me Edochie, everything she want to do, everything I they tell you. He said husband and wife, they use charm. The papa used charm, or Pikin used charm, or wife. He said that is just the logic of the story. These two people were under charms. Their marriage was under charms. Wonder shall never end. Blessed talk a lot of things. He said the day where anything won't expose, he said now grandpapa na go expose. He said you for don't confess. He said you for don't confess. Say you no get mouth to keep secrets. He said that you sometimes you go want talk. He said his voice go lost. He said his voice go lost. He said, do you think you is too big for grandpapa to handle? He said he can handle him. He said, but the reason why he's not handling him, because he put him in that situation. He put him in that situation so that they can manipulate him. They can use him to get me Edochie. He said, ever since they talk of divorce, time, grandpapa tell his son, say, this woman has given up on this marriage. Face your life. He said, bet. Even the grandpapa call me Edochie pass you. He said, every small thing don't call me Edochie. Everything don't call me. She don't call me Edochie. He said, people, they say, let me Edochie go. He said, they should say, grandpapa, let me Edochie go. He said, the day where grandpapa let me Edochie go, he said, now be say everything don't end. He said, as long as grandpapa I did there, he said, they will continue to manipulate you to do what he's doing. He said, they will continue to manipulate him. Hey! Wonder shall never end. Blessing, may Edochie sister. Say, grandpapa is a betrayer. Say, what you said for that one when he talk. Say, not true. He say, not be say you they talk true finish. Say, but this one. He say, not true. Say, their eye reach am. Say, their eye reach am. He say, the one where they go. He say, me Edochie, deliverance they did on her. It be like unbeliever. Deliverance. Say, they were free her from different kind of shackles, demonic things when they do Torah. You go say, oh, you buy fry meat, come. Meat where they give and make, come give me Edochie. Me Edochie go eat. Your husband buy meat, come, you not go eat. No say now from their pit of fair they bring meat, come. Hi! Blessed say no as sister stand like this. So he said that's why she's standing with her everywhere. He said because sometimes she look at me Edochie, say she dey cry. He said me Edochie come dey dry. He said they no get body, they no fat. He said but look at me Edochie Nana. Somebody that is in her husband's house, what will make her be drying like that? He said now all the charms wey they put for that woman body, now they chop the woman. Now they chop me Edochie. She said she cried. He said for Doan, he said they cry. He said why was those women crying? Their eyes, their ear saw the kind of deliverance when they deliver me Edochie. They bondage this woman. bondage her. Bondage her. They bondage the husband. They were using both of them. Selfishness. They destroy the home. A happy home. They destroy it. No wonder Mary Edochie say, yo is the enemy. Because if he has stood for his wife and say, no, I don't collect anything, therefore no fit cash am. Now there you for betray home. As the papa call and tell and say, no, there is money. Come take this charm, put like this. Say, no. Charm in my home, in my wife, with my children. But he self was desperate. Longer throat, now they tie. They tie you finish now. They call they use you, they operate for a house. See how God protect me, Edochie. Blessing say that's why they follow me, Edochie, everywhere. Say feel for her sister. Say she cried for her sister. Say this old man. Wonder shall never end, oh my people. That means there is atom of truth in what you is saying. Because now me Edochie sister, I they confirm her. Say her sister saw hell in the hands of grandpapa, not in the hands of you. Because you don't know what they do. Say na papa, I fed tie you before Juju Ekwensu. Hey. No wonder they say if ask not by person, outside and of it. Leave your comments in the comment section. This is Mero True Life Story. God bless you.